TinyHK Gamer Bros. Today we're gonna show us the other trucks, right, Dad?
That's right, JD. Show them all your TinyHK fire trucks.
So this is a ladder truck, right?
It is a ladder truck. It's a Scania ladder truck.
Fire service.
Yeah.
It has armor. Windows.
That's right.
Side as well. And this was what holds the ladder. This is where the guy controls the ladder, like.
Goes up and down, right?
Yeah. I'm afraid to put it up very high. 55 say S.
Yes, that's right. Very good.
It has the fire logo.
The Hong Kong Fire Services logo.
Here's the license plate. It says F134. I have sharp eyes.
Yes, you are.
Windows, helmet, siren, and the bucket. And what is this? It's an odd. Okay, the next one.
That's the
Hydraulic platform.
excellent.
It goes down like that. I'll show you the gauge.
On the back.
There's
Whoa.
chains here. There's supposed to be chains in the real one.
Yeah.
On these.
To cover.
So it doesn't spray out. Those are the hydraulics. Those are... Is that a water hose? And that's another water hose. And it's completely broken.
You broke it one more time. Again.
Here's some... Are these tiny ladders?
Yes, they are.
They're so cute.
Ladders.
The side is wobbling.
That's right.
It's wobbly like. Here's control panels.
Nice. So detailed, JD.
What is this?
Love it.
Can I show you the new one as well? Here's the new one.
Yeah, the Scania major pump with only one pump.
Yes, with the I thought this opens up and then this takes off, but no.
Yeah.
I thought I should. The Dennis. You thought I was gonna buy a Dennis?
I thought you were gonna buy a Dennis one, but that's for next time, right, kids?
Yes, that's gonna be next time.
Yeah.
There's the winch F260 as fire service helmet thingy. There's a thingy there.
Yeah.
Tire, blinkers,
Yep, blinkers.
and there's a pump.
Yeah, I like the pump. Why is only one pump though?
I don't know.
You should make it two, so it's more.
Powerful.
And then it can shoot twice as much, right? If it's
That's like
fire.
that's like this one.
Yeah, that's our first
Major
major
pump.
pump. I like this one because it's got two pumps.
Do you like this one as well?
Yeah, because it's red.
It can only put one fire only here if it's aiming here.
Yes.
This thing articulates.
Oh, it does, and even this one articulates, but you need to be careful, right?
Yeah.
Because
I just
it's
accidentally.
gonna fall off. This one's missing the winch because JD broke it.
I keep breaking stuff.
Yes, you do.
And the window
And
lost.
the back, it's the ladder.
That's what Mommy did.
As well.
That's what Mommy did, and this is what I did.
Yeah. So these two are gonna work together and put out the fire, right?
Yeah.
Nice. We're gonna make a stop
Wait,
motion for
I
that.
forgot something.
Uh-huh.
There's a pump.
Oh, yeah, show the kids.
There's a
Excellent.
pump. The water will drip.
So, I hope you guys find this video interesting and educational. You learned something new from these trucks. So, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. What do you say, JD?
Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you enjoy all our fire trucks. Bye.
Bye, guys. See you next time.
Noises. Wait, no. Goodbye, guys.